Yeah, just want to Mick here. So we've just had, well, my brother and sister-in-law have just had the house recarpeted for us, and split cycle air conditioner just in the lounge room here. So that's come up a treat, and just in the process of putting our gear back in. We're going to get some little carpet squares and put under there. Oh, the aircon's beautiful. It's bloody hot out here. There's the old action stations there. So this has all been done. Nice dark carpet. And we've had this here done. Still got to get some stripping still down there. There's actually a bit of rot in there. We've got to get fixed up. But so that's getting done there. Going to remodel all the bathrooms. Are going to be redone. So that's that board in through there. And got to shift that. That's carpet in there. Carpet in the little grandson's room. Bit of that. And the board out through here. So there's our fridge. That's actually a new fridge we bought. It's a bloody ripper. It's got a water dispenser on it too. I've just been into the old beers this half. Oof. Oof. I say oof. And they've done a bloody brilliant job. Look how neat that all is in through there. Those blokes, they just worked straight through. They had no lunch, no smoke, no nothing. I was talking to them, I said, oh God, I know these fellas work. So there's our beautiful Indonesian big solid table we got. I'm not sure what sort of wood it is, but oh geez, it weighs a ton. It's very well made. It's from Indonesia. Chairs are beautiful chairs too. Yeah, and so straight out here, and there's my son, he's a builder, he's got to take that door off and it's got to be shaved, so I put the little cover strip that goes on here. It's got to be, we've got it there, it's just got to be put on after he shaves the door. He's got a couple of doors he's got to shave. But no, they're very professional. Always said, I like the way Australians work. Just bloody go them boys. And like I said, there's my drink dispenser. And that's my son, myself and my little grandson. That's about 12 years ago, that actually. So yeah, a little Aussie battler here. It's been a hot day. And that's a nice big heavy door there, nice and solid. And I am just going to kick back. I'll have myself another Corona, I think. And yeah, it's happy with how it's all come up. And the girl's as happy as a pig in you know what. And oh, what's he drinking here? It's Sprite. And yeah, my wife is a clean freak. Look how everything is. Everything's neat. Oh God, lucky she's about. Just had these cleaned too. Our lounges. A bloke called Ali from down the coast. Done an unreal job. They're 10 years old, those things. But once you clean them, they come up like brand new. But see, my wife's got stuff, she sits on everything. So you can't, nothing wears out because she sits like blankets down and you're sitting on pillows and, oh, if I drop a fart in here, but look at that. It's nice and heavy. And old Carl's, and we've got our photos in there. Photos that go back, long way back. The little models going there, got to restock that. And Alan Moffat and Dick Johnson, a few Lowndesy and Cedo models, and a couple of beautiful big XB models. Oh, just a road car coming, 4-door, from Bianti, just waiting for that. But anyhow, I'm going to get going. I'm getting a bit toey about these videos, I haven't been putting too many up. And that's 5 minutes almost. Just when I make out. Oh, the aircon is great. Woohoo.